friends, we've been learning about water and how water helps us. What are some of the ways water helps us? That's right, we drink water and it helps our bodies and it helps us grow. How else does water help us? That's right, the plants that we eat need water in order to grow. How about animals? How does water help animals? Yes, they drink the water and they also use water to stay clean. I have a story that I would like to share with you about a little bird who takes a bath. And what's the little bird bathing in? Water. Little bird takes a bath. It was a rainy night in the city. Little bird sat looking at the street below. He watched the umbrellas bobbing up and down. He listened to the taxis honk, honk, honking. He felt the thunder in his tiny wings. I don't like rain, said Little Bird. I don't like rain at all. He nestled down and closed his eyes and dreamed about tomorrow. In the morning, Little Bird woke up early. He looked out over the street below. No more umbrellas, no more honking, no more thunder. Rain, rain, gone away, sang Little Bird, who always started his day with a song. What a perfect day for a bath. And he flew off, over rooftops, around lampposts, under awnings. Little Bird saw puddles everywhere. Some looked too big. Some looked too small. Some were already crowded with bathers. At last, Little Bird spotted the perfect puddle. He swooped out of the sky and landed with a happy splash. My puddle, my puddle, my puddle, chirped Little Bird. But then something was bouncing straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He skittered out of the way. What was bouncing towards him? That's right, a ball. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into his puddle. That was close, he chirped. That was oh so close. Rub-a-dub-dub, sang Little Bird. And then something was flip-flop flapping straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He flew out of the way faster than before. Who went into Little Bird's puddle? That's right, a little girl went splashing into Little Bird's puddle. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into his puddle. That was close, he chirped. That was even closer. Row, row, row your boat, sang Little Bird. But then something was arfing straight at Little Bird. Oh no! What do you think it was? A dog! He flitted out of the way as fast as he could. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into his puddle. Closest yet, he chirped. The very closest yet. But Little Bird wasn't happy with his puddle anymore. Almost all of the water had been splashed away. Little Bird sang a sad song. No more bath today. No more bath today. Now he'd have to wait for another rainy night. And remember, Little Bird didn't like rain. He didn't like rain at all. Little Bird flapped his tiny wings and started to head home, under awnings, around lampposts, and over rooftops. But then, what was that shining, sparkling, and simmering down below? It looked like a fountain, a splashy, swirly fountain, just the right size for Little Bird. Little Bird swooped out of the sky and landed with a happy splash. He shook and wiggled and fluttered his wings until he was as clean as could be. At last, Little Bird was ready to fly home. He saw the long shadows spreading across the sidewalks. He heard the loud buses rumbling down the street. He smelled the sweet aromas rising from the kitchen windows. The sky was pink. There would be no rain tonight. The moon's pale face appeared between two buildings as Little Bird landed on his ledge. "Good night, sweet sky, rock-a-bye," he sang, because Little Bird always ended his day with a song. He nestled down and closed his eyes and dreamed about tomorrow. The end.